Let's talk about Etsy again. I've mentioned Etsy in another video, and recently I saw a bunch of people online advertising a great side hustle that can make you thousands of dollars a month for an unlimited amount of time, which sounds awesome if you're looking for a way to make money online. But here's the truth behind Etsy. Etsy is something I do recommend as a side hustle if you want to make something, if you have something to sell and it's something that you've created. And that can be something like print on demand t-shirts, sweaters, mugs. There's all kinds of things that you can use now for print on demand, and they're linked up with different companies that will actually make the product and ship it out for you when someone orders it. All you have to do is make the design, which is what people advertise. It's so easy. Set up your Etsy shop, Google some of the most trending designs, set them up on a shirt or a sweater or something like that, list it on Etsy, and boom, you're going to have thousands of dollars a month in passive income. And here's the thing that people don't understand. It is very easy to set up an Etsy store. Etsy is very affordable and user-friendly if you're not very tech savvy like I wasn't when I started. And there's so many easy integrations for you to use for print on demand. You can also bulk order things off of AliExpress or Alibaba, and you can create things like bath bombs and other things that you make yourself as well. Or again, you can bulk order items and make them into gift baskets. You can create different things. As long as it's created or designed by you or it's vintage in some way, Etsy will accept it. Now, you can't copy people's designs directly, which however a lot of people will do, and you can't just sell things that you get from AliExpress or Alibaba, which again, sometimes people will do. You are supposed to create your own thing, so it's best to follow the Etsy guidelines. Now, the thing with Etsy and making money is that you have to have sales. And if you are under the delusion that you are the only person looking for a side hustle, the only person Googling the most trending statements or designs or whatever for t-shirts or sweaters, I hate to burst your bubble, but you're not. And so you have to get your Etsy shop seen. In order to make this thousands or even hundreds of dollars of income, passive income that you get from Etsy, you have to have your shop seen. You have to be able to rank on Etsy. And here comes the tricky part. Unless you already have a social media account, you're connected in some way to a social media account or someone who influences in some way, shape, or form on social media, and you're advertising your shop properly, the chances of you ranking on Etsy and making all kinds of sales right away is actually a lot smaller than people think. So what you need to do is click the link in the bio and take the 15-day challenge. So what I do with this account is I promote Legendary Marketer, and that is because I've spent 4 years trying to find a way to make money online, and I have finally found what worked, and what worked is having the education and the know-how and the support to be able to promote whatever products you want. They can be your products again, so this can be something that you're doing with Etsy. It can be your own business. A service-based business is what I have, which I promote with what I've learned through Legendary Marketer, and that's how I'm making my money right now. I am not, full disclosure, making thousands of dollars using affiliate links to promote other products, but that is one way that you can do it. Legendary Marketer is so much more than just signing up for a course or a system that will help you promote other people's stuff. There is so much more to it. So I think you should check it out. And if you want to start an Etsy shop, you can look at my YouTube channel. That's going to have some more videos coming up on Etsy soon, but it's going to be a little trickier than you think to make those sales. And there are a few things from Etsy that you do need to watch out for, or your shop will be flagged or it'll be shut down and you'll have a lot harder time making money than you think you will.